Looking to unwind in your backyard or on a beach getaway? A freestanding hammock is the perfect way to relax without needing trees or posts. In this video, we'll explore the best options for effortless outdoor lounging. Number 1. Pnaeut Freestanding Hammock. If you're looking for a hammock that instantly brightens your yard while offering premium comfort, the Pnaeut Freestanding Hammock is a fantastic choice. This product captures a passionate Brazilian style, blending vibrant, contrasting color stripes with a sleek black steel stand. The result is an eye-catching addition to any outdoor space, turning your garden, patio, or campsite into a colorful, lively retreat. Comfort is a top priority with this hammock, as it's crafted from thicker, tighter woven cotton. This material effortlessly spreads your weight evenly in the center, while the sides gently wrap around you, creating a cozy, gravity-free sensation. The double hammock design accommodates up to 2 people with its sturdy steel stand and secure hook with a metal buckle. With a generous 450-pound weight capacity, it's ideal for lounging with a friend, loved one, or even sprawling out alone. One of its biggest perks is the quick and easy installation. With no tools required, you can have it set up in just 10 minutes, making it perfect for impromptu relaxation sessions. Whether you're at home, camping, or on a beach trip, its included travel bag makes it incredibly portable and convenient to carry. The Pnaeut Freestanding Hammock effortlessly combines style, comfort, and durability in a way that makes every outdoor moment more enjoyable. It's a wonderful option for those who appreciate a hammock that doesn't just blend in, but becomes the highlight of your space. Number 2. Everyfun Freestanding Hammock. The Everyfun Freestanding Hammock delivers a well-rounded combination of comfort, durability, and thoughtful design, making it a reliable choice for anyone seeking a hassle-free lounging experience. Made from soft, durable cotton, the double hammock ensures long-lasting use while providing exceptional comfort. Its sturdy steel stand enhances stability, and the adjustable hooks make it simple to customize your lounging height. Assembly is refreshingly simple, with no tools required and a setup time of around 10 minutes. For added convenience, it comes with a carrying bag, making it easy to pack up and take on your travels. One standout feature is the anti-rollover wooden frame design with balance spreader bars. These bars tighten the hammock and maintain even spacing, greatly reducing the risk of tipping and keeping you securely balanced while you relax. The Everyfun hammock's impressive 600-pound weight capacity easily supports 2 adults, making it perfect for enjoying with a partner, a child, or sprawling out by yourself. Its wide, comfortable fabric makes it a popular choice for both adults and kids. Versatility is another strong suit of this hammock. Whether you want to unwind in a park, seaside, mountain setting, or your backyard, this hammock offers reliable comfort wherever you go. It's portable, stylish, and built for easy transport. The Everyfun Freestanding Hammock is an excellent option for anyone who loves to bring their relaxation with them and wants a little extra safety and stability built into their outdoor gear. Number 3. Beige Freestanding Hammock. Simple, elegant, and reliable, the Beige Freestanding Hammock blends functionality with understated style. This double hammock is made of a comfortable blend of cotton and polyester, ensuring a soft yet sturdy lounging experience. Its classic beige stripe design paired with delicate lace details gives it a refined, slightly vintage look that complements any backyard, deck, or patio setting. The included steel stand is both sturdy and space-saving, measuring 9 feet in length and featuring a practical, compact footprint that fits nicely even in modestly sized outdoor areas. Adjustable hooks allow you to easily modify the hammock's height and rope tension, offering a customizable comfort level for different lounging preferences. Supporting up to 450 pounds, this hammock is roomy enough for 2 people, whether you're looking to share it with a loved one or simply enjoy extra space to yourself. Portability is another convenience with this model, as it comes with a carrying case that makes it easy to take to parks, camping trips, or beach outings. Weighing just 29.3 pounds and measuring 110 by 47 by 43 inches, it's light enough to move yet sturdy enough to remain secure once set up. Its neutral color scheme ensures it won't clash with existing decor, while its sturdy design makes it a dependable choice for both indoor and outdoor relaxation. The Beige Freestanding Hammock is ideal for anyone seeking an affordable, attractive, and reliable way to unwind in style. Number 4. Superjare Freestanding Hammock. The Superjare Freestanding Hammock offers an excellent blend of durability, comfort, and modern outdoor appeal. This 12-foot hammock is made from quilted polyester fabric, providing a soft, supportive surface that's perfect for relaxing solo or with a companion. A detachable pillow is included for added head support, enhancing overall comfort whether you're napping or reading outdoors. The double hammock design accommodates up to 2 people and supports a generous 475 pounds, making it perfect for sharing or simply stretching out luxuriously on your own. Adjustable chains give you control over the hammock's height, ensuring your lounging position is exactly how you like it. Built to handle the elements, it features a weather-resistant, anti-rust-coated steel stand that provides reliable, season-long outdoor use. The hammock's vibrant color options add a burst of energy to any backyard, patio, or campsite. Quick and tool-free assembly means you can have it ready for relaxation in just minutes, thanks to its straightforward 3-step setup using straight bamboo spreader bars. Its portable design and included carrying bag make it a great choice for those who enjoy camping trips or beach outings but still want to bring a touch of comfort with them. The Superjare freestanding hammock is a stylish, adventure-ready option for anyone looking to embrace the outdoors without sacrificing comfort and convenience. Number 5. Homgava freestanding hammock. Combining contemporary comfort with practical features, the Homgava freestanding hammock is a premium choice for both indoor and outdoor lounging. Made with a quality-coated steel stand and hand-woven strong ropes, it boasts a double-layer quilted polyester fabric filled with polyfiber, offering a plush, supportive feel. A detachable, large, soft pillow further enhances the relaxing experience, making it a perfect spot for naps, reading, or simply unwinding in nature. With a robust 480-pound weight capacity, it comfortably supports 2 adults, providing ample space to lounge together. A key feature is its curved spreader bars, designed to lower the center of gravity for increased stability while reducing friction between the rope and wood. This thoughtful design adds longevity and improved safety to your hammock experience. Assembly is refreshingly simple and quick, using snap button mechanisms that allow you to set it up or disassemble it within minutes, no tools necessary. It's as easy to pack up as it is to install, making it ideal for users who like to switch between indoor and outdoor lounging spaces. With its extra-large size, measuring 144 by 55 by 38 inches, it offers extended space for supreme comfort. Additional accessories, like a detachable book bag and cup holder, enhance convenience, letting you keep your essentials within arm's reach as you relax. Whether used in your garden, on a patio, or even in a large indoor space, the Homgava freestanding hammock brings luxury, comfort, and utility together beautifully. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.